Ahoy dear users of UAD hardware, my name is Thomas and I want to quickly show you how you can use your beautiful UAD Apollo interfaces with any program on the Windows. As we all know, the UAD factory drivers, they have a bit of shortcomings and many programs cannot deal with these drivers. So all you need to do is use a second interface that has proper drivers. In my case, it's a RME babyface. I have connected both interfaces via ADAT, and yeah, let me quickly show you how I have configured the routing and the signal flow in order to make it working. Here you see the UAD console. So the signal starts, goes into the microphone preamp of channel 3. This is analog 3 labeled here, and from there on it goes into the solid state logic SSL E-channel strip. I'm using the gate here, so I have activated the expander section. Make sure the gate 1 is on here. Then you can use the threshold knob here to adjust to your noise floor. So here you can have a listen how it is without it. So it's quite pronounced background noise of my computer. And of course you can use dynamic sidechaining, you can use the compressor as you wish, you can use equalizer, whatever. And important thing is you have to make sure that the recording light here is on, so the signal that is forwarded is going through all the processing. And on these 4 slots you can basically do whatever you want. I have used an old studio trick and using an LA2A into 1176 compressor. So I have 3 compressors in a row. Is maybe a bit overkill. And yeah, from then on the signal is routed to my headphones, as you can see here. And then it goes into the ADAT1 output. And this signal is now showing up here on the RME mixer. AS12 basically means ADAT and SPDIF 1.2. And from there on, the signal is being picked up by the RME drivers and forwarded to any Windows application you want to use. And as proof of the pudding, I can show you here on the Telegram how it's actually working, speakers and camera. And now here you just select the RME driver as your input device. And this is quite a good level and should be sufficient. Same thing goes for Zoom. If you go here, you can adjust that in the settings, audio, microphone, beautiful level here too. And important is that you have to select original sound for musicians. And if you have enough bandwidth, you can also select high fidelity music mode. And if you select this, then Zoom will not EQ or alter your signal in any way. And because that works best in home environments where you can remove the noise via the noise gate of the SSL channel. Yeah, and that's basically it. I hope it will work out for you too. And yeah, I wish you a great day. Be in peace. Namaste.